comes time to build a new deck, you need to do your research to make sure you are building a deck with the right materials that will last for many years without back-breaking maintenance. Many homeowners have been programmed to think composite decking is maintenance-free. In the past, some composite companies have faced class action lawsuits for claiming their products required zero maintenance. Many homeowners found out composite decking requires regular maintenance, special cleaners, special brushes, and scrubbing procedures. Failure to do the recommended maintenance and keep proof that you did the maintenance can void your warranty. In addition, there are extra special care instructions for everyday use that is not common with wood decks. The soft plastic surface is very delicate and prone to scratching from your dog's nails and metal furniture. Unfortunately, once it's scratched, there's little you can do to fix it. Many homeowners have experienced frequent mold, mildew, and algae issues. Some even experience permanent staining. Many have reported the surface can get so hot in the sun you cannot walk on it barefoot without burning your feet. Some homeowners have experienced delamination of the soft plastic top coating, where the top surface of the composite decking peels and flakes off. Unfortunately, if this occurs, replacing the entire deck is your only option. One of the more common problems is fading from the harsh UV rays. The sun bleaches the color out of all materials. When placing furniture and other accessories on your deck, you may experience uneven fading. Once the deck fades, unfortunately, there's usually nothing you can do to bring it back. One other problem most homeowners don't consider: if you ever want an addition added to your deck or need to replace damaged deck boards, it is nearly impossible to match the color because the sun has faded the original decking. Also, many composite decking manufacturers change their product lines with different wood grain designs and discontinue previous models. So many homeowners have found themselves stuck without being able to replace a deck board if needed, without leaving your deck looking like a major unmatching eyesore. Now, we'll discuss some pros and cons of wood decking. When it comes to wood decking, most people think of the more commonly available wood species, such as pressure-treated pine, cedar, or redwood. The problem with these woods is that they are all softwoods that typically require annual or semi-annual maintenance, with some kind of surface-applied water sealer that will eventually peel off. This leaves you scraping your deck and reapplying the water sealer, which is tedious, back-breaking work. Water sealers are necessary for soft woods because these woods have a porous grain structure and can absorb and hold the water inside the grain, which leads to faster rot and decay. Despite the maintenance of softwood decking, there are some benefits over composites. Since they are made of real wood, it is easy to sand out any scratches, fading, or stains that may occur. It's a truly renewable product that can be restored for many years. There's one type of wood, however, that is low maintenance and incredibly beautiful and durable. That material is South American hardwood decking. The species we recommend are Ipe, Kumaru, Tigerwood, Garapa, and Masaranduba. These materials are all natural hardwoods that do not require water sealers that peel off like softwoods. Our number one recommended species is Ipe, which is more than 3 times harder than teak and significantly cheaper as well. Ipe has been proven to last up to 75 years or more on commercial applications such as the iconic Coney Island Boardwalk. Ipe is one of the strongest woods in the world, and it's so dense it will sink if placed in water. It is sustainably harvested and offers low maintenance, up to a Class A fire rating for flame spread. Ipe naturally resists termites as well as mold and fungus. Ipe does not contain large knots like softwoods. It doesn't splinter easily or leave slivers in your feet like softwoods. Since it's one of the hardest woods in the world, it's naturally scratch resistant, and even if you do get a few scratches, you can easily sand the scratches and make the surface look brand new again. This is one of the beauties of real wood. You cannot do that with fake plastic decking products. Ipe decking can outlast composite material and is comparably priced, if not cheaper.
A friend of mine who lives in Tierra Verde went with composite, and shortly after putting it on, about a year and a half, it started getting moldy looking and mildew looking and spotted and showed a lot of wear, that he went back and complained to the supplier, and they came out and put all new stuff down, including labor, materials, and everything. And so he was happy to get that done, but he still got composite, and it's still wearing like the other one. Now my neighbor over here, he did composite, and I walk over and look at it, and although it's a different brand than my friend had, it doesn't seem to be holding up too well either. So I don't know anyone that has composite decking that is happy with it, not here in this climate.
Ipe is great for any climate, from the desert to humid tropical locations, to cold and snowy climates, Ipe excels in all climates. Visit our factories or AdvantageLumber.com to see our factory direct pricing. We ship our decking direct to your home or job site worldwide.